So this unbreakable grip is guaranteed for you to not lose your dog. The other good thing is, hey guys, Haz here at Shield Canine. I'm gonna show you an old dog training secret. The unbreakable grip works like this. You're gonna take your leash, you're gonna let it kind of fall over itself or double it up. You're gonna put your thumb right there through the loop, and you're going to bring that loop into the palm of your hand, and you're going to close your fist on the entire contraption. And what you've got now is an unbreakable grip on the leash. When the dog pulls or yanks, all the pressure hits the thumb, but the thumb does not hurt as you would think it would hurt because it's closed over your fist, which is holding the both strands of the leash together. I'll show you from this angle what it looks like. And there you go, it's unbreakable. You can also double your hands up. So now you've stacked your hands, and that dog, I don't care how big or strong he is, he's not going anywhere if you're holding him like this. You don't have to be super strong, you don't have to be super big. You can hold back just about any dog with this grip on the leash. Now, you can also change the length of the leash. And if I wanna kind of get him a little closer to me, well, now I've got him closer to me. So this unbreakable grip is guaranteed for you to not lose your dog. So I'm gonna show you with a real dog. All right, guys, so I'm here with Max, one of our dual-purpose available police canines. He is a pulley dog because we don't have problems with our working dogs pulling on the leash. And as you can see, he's wearing a 2-inch agitation collar. In case you're wondering where we get these police dog collars, they're actually available on our website. And I'm able to control the dog's distance in relation to me simply by using this unbreakable grip. He's a very strong dog and he has no problem pulling. All right, and if I want to get Max closer to me, like I said, I'm just gonna run my hand down the leash, and there you go. Now I've got the unbreakable grip with the dog right next to me. So even if he's pulling me, it's not coming out of my hand, it's not slipping, and I can always double up as necessary. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, check out our online courses, shieldcanine.ca. We also have a lot of dry goods like this leash. I cut the handles off my leash because that's a personal preference, but this leash does come with a handle. We've got the 2-inch German style police dog collars. They're 2-ply, very thick police dog collars. So anyways, check us out, shieldcanine.ca. Like, subscribe, comment below, and again, unbreakable grip on the leash.